For 100 years, these wires carried every business call in America, and right now they're being shut down. This year, the FCC removed the last approval hurdles for retiring copper phone networks. AT&T has already started decommissioning. Verizon, Lumen, and Frontier are right behind them. I've been in this industry for more than 45 years, and here's what most business owners miss. It's not just your phones, fire alarms, elevator phones, security panels, card terminals. In older buildings, they're all still riding on copper, and when that line is retired, they fail silently. The notice before shutdown, it can be as short as 90 days. Don't wait for the letter. Walk your building, know what's on copper, and make the move on your schedule, not the carrier's. Carolina Digital Phone, based in Greensboro, moving North Carolina businesses from copper to the cloud since 2000. Call 336-544-4000 for a free copper line assessment.